probably might have heard that the super hit blockbuster film Kantara, one of the songs
Right.
in the film Varaha Rupam, a Kerala-based band called Thaikudam Bridge have accused the makers of copying music from them, from one of their songs. So how do you look at these allegations, sir? Do you think, a music director can copy or can get inspired from another song? Is it wrong?
Sir, especially if it comes to IP, intellectual property, copyright law, these things are happening from a couple of years. And I request people, whether it's a producer or a music director, creator, when you're creating a music, create the fresh music. Make your own name. So there won't be any problem. Instead of getting inspired or taking a tune from one movie to another movie and popular tune, you're mixing it. Don't get into all this. Not required. The music directors are there to create. I always tell, don't get into this problem at all. Not necessary. So why should we take one tune from one popular movie or popular company song without taking a permission or without paying a royalty to them? If at all you want to take it, inform them. Nothing is wrong. See, we are given so many people, so many producers, we are given a permission, and few people paid money and they took legally. So do it like that. Don't get into any controversy. See, everyone knows today intellectual property means it's a property. Everybody is paying money and taking rights. And nobody can steal anybody's property. That is not fair. So I always tell, see, Larry filed a couple of cases regarding this. Don't take a law easy. No. Your property is your property. Their property is their property. So when you want to use somebody's property, please go approach the music label or so and so. Take the permission, take the letter, and whatever the transaction has to happen, it will happen. Pay the money or whatever it is, and it will be good for the healthy film industry. That's what I can say. And everyone knows about the law, and nobody is bigger than a law. So when you get into problem, so why you are getting inspired or inspiring? Not required. Anybody in that matter, any music director, whoever it is, and producers should be aware. I request producers, they should be aware of the music, and they should be aware of the intellectual property rights. It is not only making money, it is not only making film. They should know the law also. If they know that, producers know that, automatically they can tell music director, if you want this particular tune, you owned by some other company, please go and take the rights and come and use it and give the credits to the original music director, and you remix it, you do whatever you want. That's a different issue. Nobody will say no. Instead of that, taking somebody's work, somebody's hard work, and saying that, I'm getting inspired, that this, that's not fair.
How did the Kirik Party issue get resolved between Lahari and Kirik Party?
See, actually, there was a communication gap, number one. Number two, if they would have approached us directly, we would have said, okay, no problem, go ahead. Without approaching, some misunderstanding took place. Finally, Rakshit is a good friend, and he said, no problem. We took the case back, and we compromised. This should be fair, always.
So you're known to set right a few flaws in the Kannada film industry when it comes to copyright violation. How many cases have you filed so far, sir?
Sir, we must have filed about, not only in Kannada industry, in all industry, if you put together, you must have filed about 25 cases to get the awareness. Now everyone knows about it. If they want to use any, not only Larry, any music labels, any tune, any songs, producers will come, directors will ask, they will definitely, they will come, they will approach, they will pay the money, they'll pay the royalty, and they're taking the permissions. It's a good move. Before that, also everyone know intellectual property rights, we have to take it, but people used to take it very easy, very easy. You take it for granted, no? Like that it was. Now it's not like that. You can't take anything for granted. You have to pay for it. You have to take the permission, take the legal agreement, and do it. Happy. It's a business. End of the day.
Subscribe to the Federal's YouTube page for more interesting updates.